Hello dear students, let's have a discussion on practical model question paper, Zoology Complementary course, semester 3rd and 4th, Physiology and Immunology and Applied Zoology. Duration of the exam will be 3 hours and you will get maximum 40 marks and there will be 5 marks for your certified records. Altogether there are 4 different questions. Question number 1 carries 10 marks. Either one of the following 2 questions will be asked for a batch. If you get human blood smear preparation, you have to write down the principle, procedure, and you have to identify any 2 leukocytes and sketch and label them. You'll get 1 mark for the principle and 3 marks for procedure and 2 marks for identifying 2 different leukocytes and 4 marks for correct sketching and labeling. If you get the second choice, you will get any of the 2 samples, sugar, protein, starch or lipid. You have to write down the experiment, observation and inference in a table and you have to write the results also. You will get maximum 5 marks for writing the procedure of analysis of each sample. Question number 2 carries 8 marks. You have to identify the given 4 specimens by their scientific name and you have to comment on them. You will be given any 4 culturable fishes or earthworms or honeybees. You will get 4 marks for identification and 4 marks for comments. The following are the various fishes you have to learn. First one is Katla, Labiorohita, Tinofarrington idella, grass carp, Cyprinus scarpio, Hypophthalmicus mollitrix, silver carp, Etroplus suratensis, pearl spot, Oreochromis mosambica, tilapia. Then you have to identify the given earthworms, Eisnea foetida and Udrillus eugeniae. Any of the following honeybees should be identified: Apis dorsata, Trigona iridipendens, Apis indica and Apis mellifera. Apis indica and Apis mellifera. You have to write the scientific name correctly, starting with a capital letter, and the second name should be starting with a small letter. And the spelling also should be correct. Then question number 3 carries 5 marks. Either one of the following 2 questions will be asked for a batch. If you get the identification of blood group, you have to write down the principle of the experiment and procedure. You will get 2 marks for writing the principle and 3 marks for writing the procedure and results. If you get an experimental setup, you have to write down the principle and procedure of the given experimental setup. Just go through the blood group analysis. If you get agglutination in antibody A, the blood group will be A. And if you get agglutination in antibody B, blood group will be B. If there is no agglutination, then blood group will be O. And if agglutination occurs in both of them, blood group will be AB. If you get agglutination on adding D antibody, that is Rh antibody, your blood group will be Rh positive. One of the experimental setup will be estimation of hemoglobin, or it will be action of salivary amylase on starch. Then question number 4. Question number 4 carries 12 marks. There will be 6 different questions. Question number 1. Identify and comment on the given equipments like beehive, smoker, honey extractor, chandrika or netrika. You have to identify the given equipment and you have to comment on it. Here are the pictures of the equipments: beehive, smoker, honey extractor, chandrika and netrika. Second question, identify and write down the principle or use of the given instrument. You will be given either sphygmomanometer or stethoscope. You have to identify the given instrument and you have to write down the principle or use, whatever asked. Question number 3, identify and comment on any species of honeybee, silkworm or any species of earthworms. You will be given either Apis dorsata, Trigona iridipendis, Apis indica or Apis mellifera from honeybees. Then question number 4. Then fourth question, identify the product and comment on its economic importance. You will be given either honey, bee wax or silk or cocoon or vermicompost. You have to identify the given product and comment on its economic importance. Question number 5, identify and comment on silkworm adult. You will be given either male Bombyx mori or female Bombyx mori. You have to identify it and comment on the specific characters of the given male or female organism. Then last question is identify the caste and comment on. You will be given either honeybee worker or drone or queen. You have to identify the given caste and comment on it. For all these questions coming under question number 4, you will get half marks for identification and 1.5 marks for comments. You will be familiar with these products: honey, bee wax, silk, cocoon and vermicompost. And here you can see the male and female Bombyx mori and the differences between them. Watch and learn the differences between worker, drone and queen of honeybees. Then we have so these are the questions for our practical exam. Learn well. Wish you all the best. May God bless you all. Thank you.